Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, and it's Wish Wednesday. Very nice. This day has come again. You wish for songs here on this channel, and I bring them up here on Wednesdays. And this time, The Lonely Sunrise, what a great name. You wish for this song from POWFU called I Won't Let You Down. So what a nice song, never heard it before. It's an older song from POWFU, what I can see. So this is built upon 3 different chords. Let's dissect this one. And I really thank you for highlighting this song here, The Lonely Sunrise. And all you POWFU fans, I hope you will enjoy this as well. Let's start. Capo on the 1st fret to have the easiest chords possible. And I'm gonna give you one version, and then I'm gonna simplify the next version for you if you think it's a little bit too hard to get some grips right and some same timing. And so I will give you this a little bit easier version. It sounds great, almost no differences there also, so that is nice. Let's first take a look at the chords. So we have first the A sus2, that beautiful open chord there. It's the open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. Then we have this E chord, a little bit different from the standard E. So that will be open E and then open A and 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So usually we use the 2nd A there, but this time it's open. All right. And then we have the D sus2, which we're gonna use for strumming later. And that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. We also have this D grip up here. So this belongs to a little bit harder version that is perhaps a little bit more correct, but it's just slight difference there in the sound. Anyway, I want to give you this, and that is 5th on E, 5th on A, and 4th on D. And you really want to just use these 3 strings there. All right, so there you have the grips needed for this song. We're gonna start with this picking pattern style first, and then I'm gonna show you how to use the strumming. Okay, so first for A sus, you just hold the chord as it is, and you make 1 downstroke. And then comes this part. So what I use, I use my chord here, and then as soon as I play this one, I let go of my finger using here on the 2nd G string, or you can just use another finger that's available there and you do the picking there. Anyway, the notes are on the open B, then 2nd B, and back to open B, and then 2nd G and 2nd D. And the technique here what I'm using here for open B, 2nd B, and back to open B is I hit the first open, and then I hammer on the 2nd B. I'm not picking that one. I hammer on with the finger I'm using for that fret there, and then I pull off to get it back to open. So I actually just play the first note. You see, I just picked the open, hammer on the 2nd, and pull off to get back to the open. So just 1 pick. In that way, you get this kind of fluent sound here. You don't have to pick everything, and it's easier also to get it faster. So like that. All right. So that is the starting point here, A sus. Okay, and then you go to the E, 1 downstroke. Make sure you stop at the 1st fret G string there when you do the downstroke. If you cannot handle that in a good way, you better pick, all right? And if you pick that, you can just pick notes from the actual chord, but really make sure to emphasize the 1st fret G string there. So I will perhaps pick the open E string there, and the supporting notes 2nd D and 1st G, but really hit that 1st G. Okay, and then you're gonna play another time on the 2nd G string, so you just add there, and That's the E part. And now comes the D. You can do it in two different ways again. You can make a downstroke, but in the same here as in the E case there, you will make sure you stop the downstroke on the last note, which is the 4th fret D string. You don't want to get below because you want to emphasize that note. If you cannot handle that, then I suggest that you just pick the 3 notes, the E, A, and D string, like this. All right? Or if you think that is too much as well, then you just need to hold the 4th fret D string and pick that together with the open A, like this. The open A is what you're playing and get from the 5th fret E string, so it's a little more supportive sound there. But if you think that is too much, you go from here up to here fast, then you just go from this grip here to this and play the open A together with 4th D. So I gave you different suggestions here, easier versions to handle this in an easy way, so to speak. That is the E part, the D part, and then you go back to play the E in the same way as you played the first time. So either one downstroke, if you cannot handle that, to stop on the G string, then pick the notes and then add the 2nd fret G string there. And that is the melody. So I'm gonna give you one round of the melody now. So it goes slowly like this. All right, beautiful. Now we're gonna look at the strumming here. So I'm gonna use the chords A sus there, then the E, and now we're gonna go down to this D sus2, which we looked at here in the introduction of this tutorial. And this we're gonna use for D, and then back to E, of course. Follows the same chord progression, A sus, E, D, and E. All right, so we're gonna start with A sus. We're gonna play it like this. So that is down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. Then you go to the E. It's very easy, this transition here. You just go from A sus to E, like this. And you play down, down, up, clap. So the first half of the A sus, you're gonna play for E. So far, down, down, up, down, up. Then E, down, down, up, clap. And then you go to D and play down, down, up, clap. So one down, a pause, and down, up, clap. Okay, and then you go back to E and play down, down, up, clap. Up, down, up. So in the same way as you play the A sus there. Okay, so that is how you play the strumming. I'm gonna take you through this slowly. So A sus, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, E, down, down, up, clap, then D, down, down, up, clap, and then E, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, like this. Yeah, some crazy ending there. Anyway, that pretty much covers POWFU. I won't let you down. You play like this from the beginning till the very end, and you can switch up between the picking pattern and the strumming. So this was for you, especially for you, The Lonely Sunrise, and for all you POWFU fans. So I really hope you enjoy this. And I hope to get response here for this on this tutorial here, if you liked it or not. or why not wish for future Wednesdays? So take care, guys, and play tuned.